I was born from the land of sinners, baptized in a lake of fire. No mother to love, no brother to shove, just myself and this world of lies.